Well, it's starting to feel like fall outside. It's been cloudy and rainy the last couple days. A few of the trees are already changing color. Actually, you can see them from here. There's one way over there. She's a little hard to tell, but yeah, getting a little orange. And there's two actually on the highway that are almost completely red. So, but we're just gonna continue getting after it and doing everything we can to be crazy and awesome. Got the bike all cleaned up, fresh tires and sprockets and chains, so it's gonna be a good day. Dallas is down there waiting for me. I'm gonna do some motos, get the drone out, and then I'm picking up a Honda Civic later, so should be a good time. How you guys like my flamingo? All right, let's do this.
Get some gas in this bad boy.
Need a hand unloading that thing, or is it a little too big for you?
They're all too big for me.
Well, hopefully she dried out a little bit.
Well, I wasn't spinning when I went over that.
Were you were hitting that?
No. No, like just driving through yesterday, like I was spinning.
Oh, I thought you said you weren't spinning.
Now I wasn't today, so I feel like it has dried out.
Oh, with your truck.
Yeah, with my truck, that's how I knew.
Yeah.
Like I didn't even collect any mud on the tires. So.
No collection.
No collection. Yep.
Fill her up, Chris. Give the brim.
It'll be on the ground.
Those
yours.
This is mine. Yeah, unload this thing.
I usually like it when you do it, but
I see you got her half-ass washed.
it's just like 2 hours of washing.
2 hours, dude. It takes me 9 minutes, maybe, to wash mine.
She was caked on hard though.
Well, we'll wash her up upstairs today. I'll show you how it's done.
She was
The pro tips. Lay her down. Let Cruz do it.
I did cruises and some of the stickers came off.
You completely missed the front fender.
On his?
Yeah, you
Did
can see
I?
it. There's like a giant chunk under it.
Way better than what it looked like.
Oh yeah, I bet.
You're not on the film this part.
No, I'm filming this part. This should be interesting.
I don't like it when they watch the goon take his bike on the drop.
I just want to see you drop it. Drop it like it's hot.
$10,000 bike?
Yeah.
I want to drop it.
You got any oil in that thing?
Yeah, why?
I don't see any in your little viewfinder there.
Oh, there's oil.
Half cup.
What's that?
Half cup. Oh, there you go. Oh, yeah. Yeah. That was a close one.
They're always close.
Had me nervous there. All right, I'm gonna go rip.
Suspension, she'll bounce.
I'm gonna go rip and warm up so I can kick your ass today.
Well, you always kick my ass.
I don't kiss your ass, kick your ass. Well, quick first moto complete. I can definitely feel the difference with these new tires. She's a bit muddy, but it's nice and kind of sticking in a lot of spots. So you're up. Then it's race time. We'll be timing it. I just did a quick 6.5 minute there. Good luck. Grab that gear. Here comes a little ripper. Got that leg down, learning quick. Here comes the second little ripper. He's hitting the jump now. No crashes this time. chased by the drone?
Yep.
Nice.
See if we put this bird in the sky. Trying not to cut my face up. All right. There you go.
Oh. Throttle stuck. Throttle stuck, it's not your fault.
Give her.
Go down one. There you go.
He just wants to put it in third and let her pass. Perfect speed for him. I think we should put it in third. Let him run third for a bit. We are off, headed to Port Burwell to pick up a car. I usually don't like driving that far, but it's a Honda Civic and it was like 150 or 200 bucks. So got trailer all loaded up, good to go. Bike's all cleaned. Barely made it to the washroom. Whew, brewing up a storm there, but yeah, should be a good little tour. And yeah, what was I gonna say? Oh, my heart rate. Yeah, my heart rate on the track today. Everyone's like, oh, dirt bike is so easy. Like, yeah. But no, my heart rate was 191 was my max. So that was a pretty good workout. We did some motos. She was a good time. But now let's go get that car. Do a bit of dinking around, get ready for the weekend. Got a trailer lamp out. It's pretty standard. We'll just hit okay and not worry about it. Here we go. Somewhere in Port Burwell. I'm guessing this is the car I'm taking. She said Honda Civic. I don't know where anyone is though. Yeah, the old charcoal beast. I used to have a truck that color. Hopefully they show up and I can load her up. Quick boost with no-co. This thing runs smooth. Oh, another Honda Civic. So we can get her on the trailer. Launch her onto the back of my truck. Geez, Port Burwell was sunny and 75 and it's just cloudy and muggy and cold here. Oh well, get what we paid for. Anyways, Honda Civic. It's quite the little weapon. Decent tires on it, ready for a burnout. Made her back. I need to cut the lawn down here. Getting time. Yeah, sorry this video isn't super amazing today. Just want to do some motos, get a new car, and then jump some more cars. So I'm gonna take this thing for a quick rip. I gotta go. Got a date night. So, but I'll throw the drone up. We'll get some cool footage. Some nice hubcaps, right? I think that was already broken. I didn't break that when I put those straps on, but yeah, haven't had the old Civic in a while. Oh, this one's special edition too. I don't know what's so special about it, but it's charcoal. But yeah, classic college girl car, charcoal. Usually it's a Mazda, but Civics work too. So let's get her unloaded and get after it. We are good to go. We got the NOCO hooked up. That thing starts literally anything. Let's see if I can fall off the trailer here. Ah, nice fresh paint coat on top. Oh, jeez, I don't know how people drive cars. They're too small. Run the seat back here. There. Dog guy. How many K? Oh, big one. 331. Couple kilometers. That's how we warm them up, kids. Look at this. Almost full tank, too. Yeah, the classic black ice. I love those. Is she warmed up yet? That should be good. All right, I'm gonna throw the drone up and see if we can get some quick footage. We got 10 minutes. Let's do this. Hello. All right, we got the drone. It's up there. We got you guys watching. I got the beacon, so that drone, whoop, press the button. Press the button. Got scared. But yeah, it just follows the beacon around. Good to go. Should probably put it for behind me. There we go. Let's roll. Woo! I love a good old Rockford. Drone's still there. Seems to be drying up pretty good, that's for sure. So we groom the track. Just get yourself a nice Honda Civic. My car pile. It's pretty moistly back here. Let's roll this window up and take some weeds out. Bring the drone a little closer. All right. This is the real way to mow the track. Hopefully there's no rocks in here. And then R for race. Round and round we go. Round and round we go. Woo! Come on, Honda. All right, let's roll. Oh, there's a rock. Another one. So many cars I can dodge here. Who's gonna pick all these up? We need to get rid of them. Well, that one's upside down. All right. We'll wrap it up with a few reverse donuts. Scrim the track, boys. That's how it's done. That is quite the wind. Do a fast one. Woo! All right, let's go park it. We got things to do, people to see. And you'll walk of shame back to the truck, way down there. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I just want to do a quick one today. We're off to Belleville for a fishing trip this weekend. Our annual fishing trip that was supposed to be in the spring, but you know, with all the stuff with the fake disease, it's getting moved back. So it's finally here though. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys loved the drone footage. And yeah, hopefully we have some more crazy stuff for you next week. I'm ready to start jumping cars again. Been a little bit, but we did destroy all those cars at Sean's house, so that was a lot of fun. And yeah, then we'll get the Maverick back and do some videos with it. Fall is coming quick. You know what comes after fall? Winter. I mean, I love winter when it snows, but not when it rains every day. So have a fantastic night, day, morning, whatever you're doing. I love you guys. I hope you love me. Hope you appreciate the videos. I appreciate you guys for watching them. Have a fantastic day. We'll see you later.